Hi everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a versatile and essential English word, all. It's an A2 level adverb that means completely or entirely. Simple, right? But don't let that fool you. This word is everywhere in English, and learning how to use it will open up a world of expressions for you. Let's start with the meaning of all. When we use it as an adverb, we're talking about something being done or felt in a complete or total way. For example, she's all ready for the trip means she is completely ready, not halfway or partially. There are some great synonyms for all that you can also add to your vocabulary. Words like totally, entirely, and completely carry similar meanings. For instance, instead of saying, he's all focused on his work, you could say, he's totally focused on his work. Another example might be, the house was entirely silent, which works just like saying, the house was all silent. These words help add variety to your speech and writing. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms for all. Words like partially, somewhat, or incompletely contrast with it. For example, if someone isn't fully prepared, you might say, she's only partially ready, or the project is somewhat done. These help express the opposite of being all finished or all ready. Now, how about some examples from daily life? You might hear someone say, I'm all done with my homework, meaning they've completely finished it. Or, we're all set for the meeting, indicating everything is prepared. If you're feeling especially enthusiastic, you could say, I'm all in, to mean you're completely committed to something. These are common phrases that you'll encounter regularly. Here are a few more examples of all in action. The kids were all excited about the new movie, shows they were entirely excited. The cake was all eaten by the time I arrived, indicates it was completely gone. And if someone asks how you're feeling, you could reply, I'm all good, to let them know everything is fine. So, to wrap things up, today we explored the word all, learned that it means completely or entirely, discussed synonyms like totally, entirely, and completely, as well as antonyms like partially, somewhat, and incompletely. We also saw how all is used in everyday situations to add clarity and emphasis. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using all and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see your examples. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.